Beginning of the video. Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into a versatile car seat solution that promises to grow with your child, the Britax One4Life Slim All-in-One Car Seat. This remarkable piece of equipment is designed for 10 years of use and boasts a compact SpaceSaver design, making it an ideal choice for families who need space efficiency without compromising on safety. The Britax One4Life Slim is more than just a car seat. It's a convertible and harness two-booster seat in one. It effortlessly transitions from a rear-facing infant and toddler seat 5 to 50 pounds to a forward-facing seat 30 to 120 pounds to a high-back booster seat 40 to 120 pounds. This means you can say goodbye to the hassle of buying multiple seats as your child grows. One standout feature is the click-tight installation system. With just 3 easy steps, pinch, thread, and click, you can install this seat with confidence. It's simple, secure, and reassuring, ensuring your little one is safe on every journey. The Britax One4Life Slim also boasts a 17.5-inch SpaceSaver design, making it slimmer than traditional car seats while maintaining ample interior space for comfort. Although Britax cannot guarantee a 3-across installation fitment in all vehicles, this slim design significantly increases the chances of fitting 3 seats across your back seat, which is a huge advantage for larger families. The premium car seat cover showcases a soft knit fabric with woven melange accents made from recycled polyester. Not only does this make the seat comfortable for your child, but it's also machine washable and dryer friendly, making cleanups a breeze. Plus, it's naturally flame retardant with no added FR chemicals for peace of mind. Safety is always a top priority, and the Britax One4Life Slim doesn't disappoint. It features a patented V-shaped tether, SafeCell technology, a high-strength steel frame, and 2 layers of energy management to ensure your child is protected in case of an accident. Comfort is also crucial, and the One4Life Slim delivers with soft comfort pads, built-in mesh cooling channels, 3 infant inserts, plush padding, and a tag-free headrest. Your child will enjoy comfortable rides every time they travel. Adjusting the seat as your child grows is straightforward thanks to the 15-position nori thread harness and headrest that can be adjusted easily with one hand. The 9-position recline also has an easy read indicator to help you find the correct angle for your vehicle. Practicality is built into the design, too. Slide-out cup holders make it easy to clean, and they click back into place for a secure attachment during rides. The accessible color-coded belt paths ensure you can route the seat belt through the correct path for each car seat mode without confusion. Hassle-free cleanup is another plus with extra space between the shell and base, making it easy to clean under the seat with ease. With minimal grooves in the seating area and base, wiping it down is a quick and fuss-free process. Now, let's hear from some real users. According to one parent, this car seat is incredible. The steel frame seat on the Britax makes me feel so confident in my baby's safety. Another happy customer shared, "My car seat hater enjoys the car much more in this than his infant seat." These testimonies highlight the comfort, safety, and quality that the Britax One4Life Slim offers. As with any product, there are a few cautions to keep in mind. Always refer to the user manual for proper installation and usage guidelines. Remember that car seats will not protect your child if used incorrectly, so it's essential to follow all safety instructions carefully. In conclusion, the Britax One4Life Slim All-in-One Car Seat offers a remarkable combination of versatility, comfort, and safety. With its 10 years of use promise, SpaceSaver design, click-tight installation, premium cover, and trusted Britax safety features, this seat is an excellent investment for your family's journeys ahead. End of the video.